Alright, so it's Tuesday here, and I got NVIDIA at the open. I saw it pushing up pre-market, and we also had CPI come in cooler than expected. They were expecting 2.4 and it came in at 2.3. Yeah, here's a picture of pre-market. Then we can see a ton of bullish flow coming in, NVIDIA OTM calls, and they loaded these calls right at open. So then I literally bought a few calls right at open. We got a huge buy, and then we got some OTM calls for March for 2.2 million, 3.8 million, and then the share buy was 364 million. So if you see that come in right away, you have to just think that it can rip pretty quickly, especially with a good CPI print. And then here are my orders. I took the 128 call May 16th, and then the 130 call for the week after. And look at this push we got after the first hour. The SPY's getting a nice push as well. Also Tesla, it's up 1.7%. You can see that nice push off the CPI. Pre-market, the pullback, and then at open, starts to go. I think it still sees higher this week. So we're up 1830 right now. I mean, everything's just pumping. Tesla's really pumping now. Also saw a huge share buy come in at 1.2 billion for SPY. And the total for Tuesday was 1715. And here are the orders. I pretty much just bought NVIDIA, and then I did sell one for 4.06. We also have the White House announcing a $600 billion Saudi investment. Here's Lisa Su, CEO of AMD, with Trump and the Saudis, so obviously that's kind of bullish. And I think AMD is going to $1 trillion pretty easily. So here's Wednesday, another amazing day. You can see AMD is pushing up pre-market. NVIDIA is. So is Tesla. Okay, at the open, I'm up really nicely. Looking to trim Tesla and NVIDIA. Pulling back a bit here. All right, nice move on NVIDIA. I have to trim. All right, market sell, one con. All right, I just market sold one contract. Oh, actually, maybe I didn't. Yeah, I have a stop order in, so I have to replace that instead. So change that to day. All right, now we're out of that. The perfect timing. It looks really bullish, but it could just drop here. It's like too big of a candle. And Tesla's doing the same thing here. I'm going to trim Tesla too. Market sell one contract. Up 2100. Sold that for 2271. It was just a beautiful swing trade. And here are my recent Tesla orders. The entry was 443 a few days ago, and the exit is 2271, so it's a 413% gain. And also more Tesla bullish flow coming in here for weeklies. The 365 call and the 322.50 call, both for this week, for about 11 million, which is insane. And then another huge share buy. NVIDIA, I'm looking for the 135 break, and I think it can go really fast to 140. Putting a stop in for the remaining contract of this NVIDIA swing trade. Let's do 253 for now. So it's slightly above break even, around 20%. It's at 7 right now. It's doing amazing. And I still have a week and a half on it. Tesla's really pumping here. Up 4%. The flow on Tesla has just been so bullish. Here are the trades I took today. I sold that NVIDIA con, the Tesla con, just amazing swing trades. Both for 413%. And I bought a few other positions. Ending the day at 2061. Just an amazing day. Currently on a 3-day green streak here. of 47.70. So I'm going to pull out 50% of that tomorrow morning.